that view. Hello, I am at WATERBLOW NUSA 2. So, one of the points that you have to visit when you are in Bali or when you are in Nusa 2 is the WATERBLOW spot. It's actually huge wave that crashing into the reef that is very dramatic. So normally people come here and wait to make a picture. So let's check out.
And no drone, please.
Oh yes, no drone.
Please.
I flew my drone and all the security came and said that, ma'am, please drone, no. Said that, oh please, I'm not going to fly it very high. And then they say no. People normally wait there for the wave to come because the view from there to here is like quite very clear, and we are actually on the back of the waves, and I'm waiting for the waves to come here, hopefully. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.